Hello to the wonderful Dynamics 365 and Power Platform community. It is the final leg of one of our journeys. Effective strategies to use D365 marketing. It's a journey that I started on my YouTube channel almost a month and a half back. The final volume, volume 7 on event management. How to effectively use event management capabilities of Dynamics 365 marketing. I am Dipesh Somani, Business Applications MVP, MCT, author, and co-founder here at Dynamicity. Let's quickly get going, guys. Hi there. If you want to get in touch with me through any of my learning mediums, feel free to do that. I've been doing that for the community for the past 8.5 years now. My YouTube channel is Power of D365 if you're into video-based learnings. If you want to subscribe to podcast, I have completed season 1 this year, which is 10 episodes, great learnings and live talk around Dynamics 365 and Power Platform. If you're into blogging, you can follow and subscribe to my blog as well, dynamicsofdynamicscrm.com. Of course, you can understand that it is an old one. Yes, it is. It has been there around for 7 years at this stage. 400 plus blogs, right from Dynamics CRM 4.0 version to the current greatest and latest of Dynamics 365 and Power Platform. Reach out to me on LinkedIn. Feel free to follow my tech tweets. I'm only into tech tweets on my Twitter channel there. Let's get going. Not many people are aware that there is a suite of event management capabilities within the D365 marketing app. Yes, it does exist and it's a great one built by Microsoft. The Dynamics 365 marketing event management feature helps you plan your event, budget your event, promotion, publication, attendee registration, webinar broadcasting, final analytics, lead generation, evaluation of your return of investment, managing the entire event, managing multiple channels of an event. It's something that is all packaged into this great feature set from Microsoft in the Dynamics 365 marketing app. Today we are going to explore that. Let's see what entails in this wonderful feature in the Dynamics 365 marketing app. Also look at what is the effective way of utilizing it. Nowadays we are doing a lot of online events. This is a COVID year, things are remote. So there is supposed to be a website as well to manage my event. Yes, you have a great event management website that comes packaged along with this. You can generate an event website that people can access to read about the event, sessions, speaker, registrations, and then registrations can be for the whole event or more granularity for each session. All these capabilities are also pre-built, very good for remote events as well as great for physical events whenever they are going to happen again. So that also does exist with the Dynamics 365 event management capabilities within the marketing app. So what exists within an event? There are tons of things that exist within an event like General tab, agenda, what is the agenda of this event, website and forms, registration and attendance, additional information, social insights, room reservation. So you can completely understand the breadth and width of what this particular feature is capable of doing within the Dynamics 365 marketing app. Now, for what we have been waiting, quickly getting into the demo, guys. Let's get going. So here we are quickly into the event management piece of the Dynamics 365 for marketing app. As you can see, there are a lot of events already up there set up in draft state. So this is available under the events tab. Normally you will be under marketing area, a selected events tab. I'll open up one of the events here, Contest of Design, Furniture Design Workshop 1. Event type is where you can maintain what kind of events you're doing, executive briefing, conference, demonstration, training, webcast. You can always customize this. Everything is managed through a business process flow and that's been thought through really nicely. You can see that preliminary is the initial stage, then you have an agenda stage for an event, then you can organize it, promote it, launch it, and then post event, right? So typically that's a process flow that you can maintain. You can set agenda over here, you can maintain your sessions, and there's a calendar neat view available as well, so I can view multiple sessions and I can do tracks also, and I can do speaker engagements, and I can add my sponsors as well. If I go to registration and attendance, full capabilities have been given. I can add passes, I can do event registration, registration responses if they're coming in, event check-ins and contacts who have cancelled. In additional information section, I can give outcome, what is the primary goal. So for example, if it's a community event, I will mark education, but it can be for sales, marketing, morale or other things, other areas. Financial numbers, pretty important. So you can check for financial numbers as well. And what are the team members? You can add some additional team members for your particular event. You can manage room reservations, so that is set on a particular calendar as well, where you can see what are the particular room reservations for event. Website and form, once you have a custom event URL, you can have this kind of a tracking enabled for your website based registration. I'm not covering that piece in this particular demo, but hope the idea is clear to you. Now the things that I wanted to highlight, you can even go to the point of managing your event vendors. You can add hotels, you can add hotel room allocations, You can also do hotel room reservations, as you can see in this particular screen. So it's a full-fledged thing that is capable of handling a complete on-site event or online event, and go ahead and you can utilize it. If you are really using Dynamics 365 marketing app, you have this set of features available. I've seen scenarios where I've seen partners and customers not knowing this one and going and building those custom pieces. Not recommended, guys. The effective strategy is go and explore the event management module after seeing my video. If you have any query, you can reach out always. And thank you for watching this particular video and demonstration, guys. In case you like this particular volume, this is the final one in this particular series. Do follow my YouTube channel or any of the mediums. Power 365 as usual, guys. Do remember, sharing is caring. Take care.